It was only last week that we first met when I was walking down the street. You came up from behind me and I knew that our eyes were gonna meet.
Hello, hello, hello. Ito si Christy Ganda. Nagbabalik. Kasama ang RW. Oh, diba? Nakikijoy. Para ang hirap umano ng ano. May